Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting.
The total debt of the world is $91 trillion, which is almost equal to the size of the global economy. How to tell how much light is left in the day? Psychopathic men are better able to mimic pro-social personality traits in order to appear appealing to women. About 10% of people have alexithymia, a condition making it difficult to identify and describe their emotions. Amazon used to manufacture dash buttons which when pressed and mounted anywhere would automatically order the product the button was linked to. Indonesian entrepreneurs created biodegradable and compostable plastic bags from cassava starch, vegetable oil and organic raisins. Siamese cats are temperature-sensitive albinos, causing their cooler body parts to be darker and warmer parts to be lighter. As they age, their body temperature decreases, resulting in darker overall fur. Scientists create first mouse model with complete functional human immune system. There are more Indian teenagers than there are total people in the USA. The average American buys 53 new pieces of clothes each year. More than 40% of Saharan Africa is less than 15 years old. Millie Brown, 27, drinks colored soya milk and regurgitates liquid over a canvas to create unique art and has even appeared in a Lady Gaga video. Rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, jamun aids in managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and regulating blood sugar levels. Mexico City has the largest concentration of Americans outside of the US. How much do you need to earn to be in? Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. There are more storage containers in US than there are McDonald's, Chick-fil-A and Wendy's combined in the world. There are 100 divorces every hour in the US. The antiseptic turmeric benefits also help in stopping the blood from oozing out of the injury and any further infections. The highest paying job in the US government is a college football coach. Never let your sense of morals prevent you from doing what is right. The top percent of America's population makes up about 90% of economy. Truth is not diminished by the number of people who believe it. The musicians of the Titanic kept playing music for hours as the ship sank. One voice can change room. Neptune has only completed one orbit around the Sun since its discovery. Neptune takes a whopping 165 years to complete one full orbit around the Sun since it was discovered in 1846. Neptune only finished its first full post-discovery orbit in 2011. Did you know the phrase reduce, reuse, recycle is in that order for a reason? Not buying things that would be recycled or reusing them comes first and foremost when it comes to living an eco-friendly lifestyle. Aquarius Reef Base, known as the Space Station of the Sea, is an underwater lab located 5.4 miles off Key Largo in the Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary. This permanent facility allows scientists to conduct marine research. When we try to recall a single memory like the brand of shoes a friend bought last week, we end up with more details like the color of the shoes, occasion, patterns, etc. This happens because the brain's hippocampus packages memories together and stores them, and we retrieve one memory, it brings along a whole range of other components. The small village of Vijanella, nestled in a shadowy valley, devised a unique solution to its sunless winters, a giant mirror installed in 2006. This computer operated mirror tracks the sun's path, reflecting sunlight into the village square daily. Sneezing resets the nasal environment by getting rid of any irritating particles and restoring the correct level of mucus. An imbalance of mucus can trigger a sneeze. For a single sneeze to flush out the possible irritants, it would have to be dangerously powerful. Holding a baby can change its DNA. Studies show children who have low physical contact as infants end up with DNA cells that are less mature than usual, which can result in delayed growth and development. This means the effects of denying physical affection to babies are not just behavioral, they are genetic. In 2015, an intoxicated man was stopped by police for riding his horse on a highway. The man insisted that his horse knew the way home, and the sheriff agreed that it did not constitute a DUI. However, the man was given a ticket for disturbing the peace by intoxication. In 1992, astronauts Jan Davis and Mark Lee were to fly together to the International Space Station. However, unbeknownst to NASA and everyone, they had secretly married 9 months before their scheduled flight. Tips to make your necklines go away. Clean your neck daily like your face. Use your phone and computer in the right way. Exfoliate your chest. Do neck yoga. Thanks for watching.